Okay, what I want to do now is show you how to repair your one-step looper if the post breaks off, and they do. Mine did, and here's what I did to fix it. It's a very, very easy fix. This is called a split pin. It's a pin that's used to hold things in place, but it's a piece of steel that's it's heat treated, and it's very hard to bend. So you're going to really break it most likely before you bend it. I mean, they do bend, but they break a lot easier than they do. That's what heat treating does to metal. So all you need to do to repair this is get yourself the split pin that fits it, and I think it's a 1/32 inch pin. And then you'll take a pair of pliers to hold the pin in place, and you want to get the split. You want to know where your split is, because you want the split to be facing out from the tool, so that you have a nice solid piece of post around the edge, and it'll be stronger that way. So I need to find out where my split is on this pin. Grab it with my pliers, like so. Get it down into the hole. Get it lined up on there. This is a very small pin, so it could be a little bit of an issue, and I got a magnet there to hold this thing in place. And then you just take a hammer and then you tap it down. Okay, I don't need the magnet anymore. Just tap it down until you're flush on the back, until you're flush on the back side of the tool. And then once you are, you're back in business, because you've got a pin right there, so that you can still do your bends and everything on your tool. And that's a pretty awesome, easy fix, so that you don't throw away a $25–30 tool. There's how you repair your tool. Just use a split pin.